how to change this hole to a slot in the 3D CATIA experience. To make sure you hold your link to your part in your drawing, use the Open 3D data to find that part. You'll find the part that's actually linked to this drawing. We'll go into the sketch and I will delete that hole. I will use the sketch and elongated hole option. I'll just simply go from here to here, click a position. And one thing I don't like about this is it creates this dimension, which I don't like, so I'm going to delete it. Because what I really want is a constraint that controls that radius, not the way it dimensioned it from the center to the tangent. I'll accept a 1/4 inch, and then the other thing you need to do is constrain the length of the slot. So you want to know the length of that slot. I'll just put it down here off the part, and the radius. Now this line and this line here should be horizontal. So I'm going to right click on these, or no, I'm going to go to the dialog box and I'm going to make those horizontal and select OK. The slot itself is fully constrained, but it's not located. So you need 2 more constraints. I'm going to constrain from the datum to this center line. Sometimes it misses. It drives me nuts. Try it again. Constrain. I use the undo button, by the way, to cancel that. And then I got to try and grab that line right there. And it's that numbers. The dimension itself is always in my way. So I got that line. I slide this over here and I click a position. Notice the horizontal lines are green because it knows how far up and down, but not side to side. So I need 1 more constraint to go from that center point, and I always try and grab the point first. And I like it when it tells me it's going to grab the point, then I click, ooh, and then I'll grab this line here, and I like to have those lined up. That should be chain dimensioned. So the dimensions that belong here are 4 dimensions for the slot. 1 here and 1 here to locate it. 1 here to start it and 1 to finish it. So that gives me the length of the slot. And this radius is 1/4 inch on both sides to hold these horizontal. Alright, that's how you convert a hole to a slot. Simply exit out of your sketch and you see that became a slot.